Hello, today I'll be showing you how to check your results on your learning space right on CloudNotte. Now, there are various ways to check your results. You can check the full class result or you can check a student single result. First of all, I'm going to be showing you how to check a student result, just one student. So let's get right into it. First of all, I have to click on my report sheet menu. I'm going to click on check results, choose the year, choose the term, choose the class, and pick the student. Next, I'm going to be clicking on the assessment and I'm going to be clicking on check result, and automatically my result has been made available for me. Now, this is the template I'm using. CloudNotte has different templates for results. You can watch the video on how to use different templates for your result. It's right on YouTube. Now, this is how my result looks like. Now, this is what my result looks like. I have the name of the student, I have the class, I have the grade and the position. All this can be turned down if you want. Okay, I'm going to be showing you how to do that in the next video. Now, I can choose to print my result and I can choose to download it as PDF. Okay, so let's get right to the next step. How do I check the class full result? I want to be able to see all the results all at once for that class. All I need to do is to click on class full result, pick the year, the term, and select the class that I want to view their result. Pick the assessment and click on view full result. And right on this interface, I have all the results of every student in this class. Now, I can decide to print out all these results if I want by clicking print, or I can decide to download them as PDF all at once if I want. The choice is mine. So this is the very simple step on how to check your result as a teacher or as an admin on your learning space right on CloudNotte. See you in the next video.